Okay, so we just wrapped up this Range Rover full size.
Take your pick, take your pick.
Just pick one card.
Not mine, yes!
If we were to open up in Florida, all the vendors would be calling us, yo, do photo shoots, do photo shoots.
Okay, so we just wrapped up this Range Rover full size. We put the 24-inch Forgiato F215s in the Monoleggera. Wrapped it up in some Salon rubbers, 24-inch. Everything fits like a glove, not sunken in, looking good. And stay tuned for more.
Like, I grew up to car music. It was like my hip hop era was like all cars, you know? So I don't know. That's why like I had a 75 Pontiac with 28-inch rims. Like that was the back then, you know?
We got another Tesla Cybertruck here. You already know what's going down. We're putting some 24-inch Giovanna wheels. We got Alex HWA over here taking apart the fender liners. So stay tuned, this thing's gonna be in and out, ready for the streets.
So yo, basically like this is what it is. When we first started doing the Teslas, we were new to the trucks. We were running 315, 45, 24s. There's some rubbing.
Hold on.
Unfortunately behind the liners. The airlines are there. Anyways, we got a fix for it. If your Tesla's rubbing, we got a fix, baby.
Replica of the OEM.
Yes,
right?
and it will take the original bolts too. That's what we sell all the time on the winters.
I was thinking to change the look maybe a little bit for the winter, going something silver.
Okay, that's not a problem.
Sickest F8, easily. The Novitec mirrors, the 1016 spoiler, the Novitec scoop, the 1016 J vents, the Novitec Vossen forged wheels, lowered on Novitec suspension. This thing is fully kitted, fully fitted, baby. We did this one, I think, a year ago, 2 years ago, and it's back for some new tires right now. So let's go, baby.
pick. Take your pick.
Okay. Yeah, I just adjust the front down and then the whole car should come down as well with it, I think.
How much in the front? 2 or 3 turns?
I would go for sure at least.
And the lock.
The guy that was just following me right now, I just sold a set of wheels and tires in Florida for an i7 24-inch staggered setup, lowering links and everything. So I'm just kind of guiding them through the phone to the right stance. So that way they get that PT fitment in Florida, baby. Ship worldwide. Let me know. Holler at me.
Just pick one card. One.
Looking too much, bro. Don't be looking at numbers. Not mine. Yes, Chaka, my dog. Who's that?
Okay, let's go.
W for winner.
Bro.
I'm like, yo, Alex, bro, chill, bro. Relax. What are you
What are
screaming?
you guys cooking? How was it? Fine. Kind of sounds like salmonella if you ask me.
Back to stop. Let me know when the wheels are off, yeah?
Open up in Florida, all the vendors would be calling us, yo, do photo shoots, do photo shoots. Yeah. Watch this.
There you have it, baby. Origin one-piece forged AV1 Aero, full polished, lowered on those fitted spec lowering links. You guys want your Audis done? You guys know who to go to, baby. It's right behind us. Yeah, to be honest with you, you're never gonna get Carmen on the phone.
I brought them like 2 months ago.
Okay. Is that not forgotten?
They're not expired. That's a roof rack for a Q7. I brought those here, bro. Ask me, bro.
Shut up!
He's asking, man. He's asking.